I'm like actually, okay, I am not looking forward to that conversation with Yvonne. She's going to be like, really? I'm like, look, this is a movement, hun. She hasn't really been following it. She's been absolutely
It kind of
swamped at
is.
work because of year end.
I'm very ignorant about this subject. Has like activism investing been a thing before?
I don't think we've ever seen anything quite like this, to my knowledge.
Maybe someone in the chat can like speak up because I am very ignorant about this subject.
Yeah, hit
But
us in the Floatplane
this
chat.
feels like a first time thing for me personally.
I'm almost certain
Occupy
it's never
Wall Street?
happened at this kind of scale. I mean, yeah, Occupy Wall Street was completely impotent. It had no fangs. Whereas the only way you can get through to these people,
very real fangs.
this has actual fangs. This is completely different. Occupy Wall Street, nobody cared. Literally nobody cared.
There's pictures of like the Wall Street goons like drinking champagne, taking pictures of the Occupy protesters and laughing. Like they didn't care.
Nothing. I'm sorry, no offense. If you were an Occupy person and you wasted a big chunk of your life standing around in the street over that, that did nothing. This is effective.
Oh my God. This might be a terrible idea or it might be an amazing idea. If you call Yvonne, let her know you're live on the show and then let her know what's going on.
Okay, all right, let's call the wife. You guys are going on LTT store, right? You're buying stuff on LTT store?
That you can maybe share with her is that you are now potentially the world's biggest gamer because you spent more money at GameStop than you have on your car.
Thanks for that. All right, I'm just gonna... Hey, so you're live on the WAN show right now. I have some interesting news. I may have run my mouth a little bit on the show today. So do we have any means of buying individual stocks?
What do you want to do?
Well, like, I mean, are we set up for it? I know you have that thing for the trust, like like, I don't even know what it's called. But the thing with the bank.
Remember you're live on the show.
Remember you're live on the show, so.
I don't have very much money in it. Why?
Yeah. No, I don't mean that thing. I just mean like we'd have to use cash. Like it would be like cash money. I just mean like, do we even have like an account with like any, like, do we have a broker? Like I don't.
We have an account with a bank where I could buy stock online. I have not tried it. It does not have very much money in it. But we do have something.
Okay, so I have interesting news for you. How hard is it to transfer money into that account?
I don't know. I would have to look into that because I've only done it once ever.
Okay, cool. So I need you to put about $50,000 US in that account.
What?
I need you to put about $50,000 US in that account because we need to invest in GameStop. No, we actually have to now though because the community gave me money for it. Yeah, so what I said was that I would take all the super chats for the show today and I would match them and that I would take that number times 5. And I have since capped it. I capped it, so I was actually very responsible if you think about it.
You know that they shut down certain like buying. I haven't been following the GameStop.
I know,
but I know that they put restrictions on buying that stock. So how are we even going to do that?
No, we can here. We can in Canada. So anyway, I've committed it at this point. I said I would 5x what they contributed, and it looks like they're probably going to reach my maximum, which is $10,000 in super chats. So Monday maybe.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. I mean, I told them I'd do it. You know how it is.
Why do you do things?
Well, you know what? Okay, so think about it this way. Our $50,000 could screw over bad people far more than it's costing us.
Okay.
All right. All right.
I would much rather donate that money to a charity.
Yep.
Are helping people in need rather than gambling on it ruining rich people, whatever, I don't know, bad people.
That's fair, but here's another way of thinking about it, okay? When the stock falls, which it inevitably will, that money will go to all the small retail investors who cash out. So it kind of helps people in need if you think about it. Love you.
I will talk to you later.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
That
went about as well as it could have.
But honestly, yeah, she took that a lot better than I expected. The "I will talk to you later" is, I think, the beginning of potentially the real conversation.
Yep. She's going to tell me to be slightly more responsible.
So I think the WAN show is potentially why that conversation didn't go too bad. And now maybe the blow will be a little soft when it happens. So
yeah.
Thanks, audience.
Yeah. You know what? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. Yep. Apes together strong. Thank you, Owen Benner. All right. He has 16...
Do you have an Apple Watch on you right now?
Yeah. What's up?
Are you wearing one? Is it powered?
Yeah.
Can you check your heart rate?
Oh. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't really know how to do that. Let me check. Is it like the...
I think it's Health. I think it's an app called Health. I could be wrong.
Yeah, I just like completely don't even care about it. Okay, yeah, here's my heart rate. Right. Okay, we're measuring.
Let's see how calm he is. He might be pretty calm.
I'm at 86.
I feel like for you, that's probably high.
I think that's a little on the high side for me. Yeah. So you can you can see my history here. Oh, well, you were able to see my history, but I took it off and it locked. Give me 1 second. Okay. So I'm going to the health app. Why are we still talking about this? God. Yeah, no, actually starting at 6 o'clock, it looks like, you can actually see, hold on, let me just get this adjusted. Yeah, you can actually see a spike after 6 o'clock here. So if you guys were wondering if this is just a show, and I'm like, haha, pretending to be stressed or whatever. No, it appears that my stress is real.
Sorry, I just want to...
I'll be fine. Yeah. I did know that Yvonne's preference is like, we don't really like talk about it much. Like I've always felt that sort of holding up a megaphone when you make a charitable donation is like, it's not my style. That's all I'll say. I'm not going to say what it is. I'm just going to say that it's not my style. And I know Yvonne is perfectly comfortable with like spending money to help people, but this is not really like how she likes to do it. This is not really her jam. Please stop sending money. We're at 10K. That's it. That's the limit. I'm not doing it. Okay, cool. All right. Yep. Straight to the moon. Okay. Oh. Holy crap. Okay. Man, she's gonna come home and be like, what the actual f?
You could dodge it by still being live by playing video games as an after party.
That's true. That's probably not a terrible idea right now.